Welcome back to our channel, Homesteading with the Anga family in Kenya. This beautiful Saturday, we have just slaughtered 2 ducks to have the meat for the week. And here is Peter and Arereng processing the ducks. One will go to the freezer, this one, and the other one we are going to have it
today's supper.
Yeah, we are going to have it for today's supper. Yeah, for dinner. Yeah. Okay. So that is what they are doing now. Yes.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Achari is on the fire duty because I'm going to cook it with the in that pot. So I've told Achari to make the fire for me because we are going to have open fire cooking. Pot fire cooking. So you have done a very good job, Elias.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't let it. No, put it on the side. Good job. Now you have to put some more firewood. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. The dogs are waiting. Will anything fall?
Yeah, I was thinking, sweetheart. Huh?
Yeah.
Since there are 2 of them, why
Yes.
don't you do like the drumsticks pamoja, the wings together, so that you have a mixture, both tastes. Now that one looks a bit, yeah. Look at this.
Not so fatty.
Yeah, one is a bit too
Thin.
Hold it there.
Okay. I don't know. I will. I think
Yeah,
for
we could
today.
blend them.
I think for today I'll just.
Blend?
Okay, what I mean by blending, we mix the 2. Yeah. Not
Yeah.
that machine. Oh,
Is that a ring helping you really?
yeah, he's learning on the job. So I don't blame him. Hold it there. Pull.
Actually, this is not my first time.
Okay, good job. Hold that. Remove this hand.
Okay, I'll move this one.
Not this other hand.
Good job. Now I think you'll have to use this pot. Put water. Put water in that pot. Very beautiful fire, Elias.
I know how.
Yeah. Now you put water and I start. Yeah. Just I think I've washed it. Just rinse it. Pole, we don't break it. You have to be very careful. Isn't this a beautiful fire Achari has made? Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, just a little bit of water to start boiling. Everyone is so busy. It's just the dogs that are not. But everyone here is busy. The little babies are playing with the water besides the house.
They're actually watering.
They're watering. So Zuri is watering apparently. So that is what she's done. She's decided to relax here. Sitting. She has watered this until it is overflowing. The pot is overflowing. And now she's relaxing. And she has put this thing to water itself. Akizuri, the water is just flowing in one place. Come and water. Asianus, just come and water. You're tired? Okay. Relax. Meanwhile, guys, let me show you what we have been doing in our new building, in our new project. I'm on my way there. So the fundis, the workers have gone for lunch. I need to show you the progress. We've been trimming lemon trees, and here these beautiful branches that I'll use for cooking. That is fuel. Everywhere is just hi guys, so this is the upper part of the building and they are putting the floor. Can you, yeah, that is downstairs. That will be downstairs. Sorry, I don't know. That will be downstairs. So this is upstairs. They're beginning to put the floor. That is what Peter has suggested. I thought it wasn't necessary, but Peter suggested that we put the floor because if we don't, when it rains, the water might leak if there's any crack and spoil the floor down there or the roof beneath this floor. So that is what is happening now. On this side, on the building, just putting that floor, it's called nail, so that we don't have, okay, I don't think it will be nail, just floor, so that we don't have damages when the rainy season is actually almost near. Yeah, so that is what's up. So the floor is going to look like this. So, this is what they've done, you see. So from that look to this smooth, beautiful look, that's the floor that now they're now beginning to move as they are putting it, advancing this ways. Yeah, you can see there are things for smoothening. Yeah, so that is the floor that we are now, that is being installed.
I'm congrats-ing myself. Somehow I managed to make both my hands
Don't allow it to move.
totally dirty.
Don't fall.
Huh?
Yeah.
This is the one first.
Actually, you have put the water to boil. Yeah. So good job,
I'm not sure
Elias.
if I've put enough yet.
Eh?
I'm not sure if I've put enough.
That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job. I'll come and put the meat now inside to boil. Yeah, good job, guys. They have finished with these parts. Hey, duck is supposed to be white meat. This is very red meat.
Red.
Whoever said duck is white meat, this is red. A lot of hemoglobin. That's my take on this, because why is it so red like this? Yeah. So they are done with this. These are parts that I should start cooking now. Yeah, they're almost. You guys are almost done.
Yeah, with one.
Oh, with one. Yeah, the other one should just be put in the freezer for next time. This one
Yeah,
is what.
after we cut it in pieces, this whole thing can split.
Oh yeah, so you cut it in pieces like this one. Just portion them in pieces. These ones are ready to go to the boiling pot that actually has sorted over there. Yeah, this is beautiful.
Boiling it gives out the flavor better than the gas.
Yes, yes. Cooking it in pot on open fire, actually.
Getting
Yes.
a job, hold it. No, support this part. Okay, the first duck is ready. This is the one which we are cooking for dinner straight away. So I'm going to get this meat to boil in the pot. Cook in the pot. Yeah, the water is already warm enough.
Please don't pour that bloody water on the floor.
I just watched it.
Okay, just.
I have to see how it is normal now. I kind of feel like this is so creamy.
Don't pour that dirty water on the floor. You know it will bring flies.
I don't know. Zaddy, Shakira, I see the way you're eyeing it. Don't worry, guys. You'll get your foods very soon.
How does it work?
I'll give you another one.
How does it work?
See?
I don't know.
It's imitating the duck.
Yeah, he's imitating the duck.
Okay. You guys handle the fire. Naendelea.
No, we need a lemon, a squeeze of lemon.
Where's the lemon?
I need a squeeze of lemon here. Need more firewood. Ow!
actually absolutely fine now.
Yeah, it's we are not done.
Oh, this is gonna be absolutely yum. Yeah, just
Okay.
a squeeze of lemon. It's okay, baby. Just
Okay.
a squeeze of lemon for the duck. Alright, stop it.
Okay. I won't allow the seeds. Is this okay? Some lemon.
Lemon juice in the duck.
Yes. Okay.
Good job, sweetheart. La-la-la.
Yeah, I think I did like 99% of the work.
Oh, I've done the 1%. Okay. Okay. Is this a dry wood?
Yeah, that's okay. That's perfect.
Okay, now we are done with the preparation of the duck. So one is already in the fire cooking, and the second duck is the one here. We'll preserve this in the freezer, and this will be food for another day. So Arereng, thank you very much. You've done a good job. This is well prepped and cleaned. Please take this to the fridge. Take this to the freezer. Sorry.
Hey guys, I'm making chapatis. The duck is going on outside nicely, cooking nicely and slow heat on the firewood in the pot. And actually loves duck and chapatis. That is what I am making for dinner. Here is the dough for chapati that I am working on. This is whole wheat flour. Okay, I was supposed to wear this apron up. Somehow I forgot. And it's been hanging. Let's finish this. Dough up. What do you think? It's a lot. It's a lot, man. Now I'm making them into balls. Like this. It has been saying I'm saying meatballs. So I just cut a piece of the dough. I work on it like this. Flour my surface. Doesn't have to be neatly shaped because I'm going to cut it up. Not so much, just a little bit. That's enough. That's enough. Take it to every side like that. Cut it into that. Start folding it up. You see? To such balls. And then I start this. Put some flour. Make my beautiful ball.
Made with love.
Made with love.
Yeah. Honestly, that is a lot of attention.
Yeah. So I do the rest. That.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Before it is dark, let me show you what the fundis, the workers, are doing. How far they have reached with the floor. Yes, because they are almost winding up with the work. Let's meet outside. Just finishing this up and then we go. Guys, I do that. It's a beautiful chapati dough. Put it here, and here they are gorgeous.
Okay.
Okay, outside, let's go. Outside, and Agogong has decided this is where he's. Agogong, what are you doing? Okay. God to give us a swimming pool.
Mommy.
Yeah, yes. Ah, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, please.
Not.
Yeah, you are having fun?
Yeah.
You are having so much fun, yes? You're having so much fun, yeah? Yeah, okay. Okay. You enjoy yourself, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. In the dark. You guys,
Coming in hot, blowing out snot.
Okay, so you've decided.
I want to sit there too. I feel so cold.
Okay.
Spike love. Oi,
Let me see. Oh, sorry.
So close.
It's boiling.
Oh, is it ready?
You know, this duck was old. Okay, Zuri, I don't like you for climbing there.
What?
That boy should get out of that basin. Agogong! Maybe it's time you now get out of the water, yeah?
Mom, when are we going for ice cream?
For ice cream, I have all this food to cook. And you're telling me to go for ice cream. I'm still making chapatis. When I'm making coconut shells, the way this fire is so big. Oh, why did you guys put coconut shells here? I don't know why did you put coconut shells there.
There's a problem. What's
Why the fire is too much? The duck is soft now. Can you go and bring me some more water? Ooh.
That's so good. Soft meat.
Yeah, it's very soft meat. It was a very...
Ow, I got burnt on my leg.
Sorry.
Some ashes.
Go and put cold water there outside. Gugong is having water there. Guys, look at this beautiful.
There's a big fire. Those coconut shells wasn't the
Yeah, you put coconut shells so it has oils, you know, and burns. So it's a very big fire. Woo! Ouch, 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 ouch.
now I'm having regrets. Hi guys, so this is the meat, the duck meat. So now since you have let the duck meat to stay very long, it has become soft, very soft, and I'm kind of good like that I can eat it properly. So also the fire, we have put in some coconut shells so that the meat can cook faster.
I measure the farthest. Measure sasa.
Looks good. Beautiful. And here is the duck. Golden and looking good. Chapatis are there. More.
Okay guys, it's been a long day. It's now 7 something and the food is now ready. Peter did well with the duck. Here it is. Very, very yummy. I'm sure. Very yummy. Absolutely good. I love it. And the chapatis, soft all the way. Soft. Yummy. The duck, come and see the duck, guys. Soft. It is falling off the bone. Look, guys. Falling off the bone. Peter has done a good job.
Thank you.
And I've also done a good job with the chapatis. Very yummy, guys. Yummy food. Thank you so much for joining us today. That is what we were up to today. We cooked this duck. It was a team effort. Even the children, the babies, babysat themselves. Ziri doesn't like being called a baby. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining us. Until next episode, enjoy yourselves. See you. Yummy.